Hi to all the YouTube fellows, how have you been? Means how have you been doing? As you can assume by the title, this video is all about modern English vocabulary, so let's kick it off. The first word is frigid. So frigid means extremely cold. This word refers to weather. And how can you use it in a sentence? You can say this morning is very frigid, or the night is becoming very frigid. Means it's getting cold, or the night is getting cold, the morning is already very cold. The very next is initiate, but before that, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you find my videos useful. So initiate means to start. The university has initiated some new programs for the students. Very next is narrate. It means to describe. The person is narrating the stories to actors, means he is explaining or describing the story to the actors. Very next is murky. Murky means dark. This word is often used with water. Murky water means the water you cannot see through it, or you can refer this word to any of the other action, like he has a murky past means he has a dark past, something like that. Right next is tumble. It means to fall quickly, means fall over and over. He always tumbles, or she always tumbles, means she always make a point to fall. The very next is wreck. It means debris, means the thing that is broken or that is not going to be useful in future any further. You can say that thing, the leftover of certain things, it's called debris or wreck. Next word is execute. It means to carry out. Let's execute our plan. That means let's start working on our plan. Let's work on that plan. The very next is tedious. It means monotonous. Now, what does monotonous mean? It means dull or boring. He has a monotonous life, or this topic is very tedious. That's how you can use this word in sentences. This word is demeanor. It means the behavior or mannerism of a person or ability to bear certain things. That's called demeanor. And last but not the least is rage. It means intense anger or some uncontrollable violence that you have no control over. He always has a big rage when it comes to her. I mean, he always gets angry very easily whenever the topic is about her. That's how you use it in a sentence. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Goodbye.